Hey guys, I'm at the market and I'm on the hunt for some fresh shiitake mushrooms for my creamy soy shiitake linguine. Let's go. I'm Ching, a TV chef and food writer. To celebrate Veganuary this year, Kum Kee have challenged me to create some mouth-watering plant-based meals. So join me as I seek out the freshest produce and combine it with Kum Kee's famous flavor-packed sauces to make something truly Veglicious. Got my bag. So here they are. This is the mushroom section. This is what we want. The perfect, nice plump stalk, no blemishes on the caps, and they smell lovely and fresh with this lovely nutty, woody, earthy aroma, full of antioxidants, and they're gonna taste great in my creamy soy shiitake linguine. So I've got my fresh shiitake mushrooms. The first thing I want to do is just to slice them into bite-sized pieces. Shiitake mushrooms are so good for you. They're full of antioxidants. Next, I've got here some garlic. Crush it, peel it, and then just roughly chop it. Next, I've got here one white onion. I'm just going to slice it into half-moon slices. One red chilli, deseed it, and then just finely dice it. So that's all my fresh ingredients prepped. I've got my pan on medium heat. A tablespoon of rapeseed oil. In very quickly with the garlic, onions, and the chili. Give this a nice stir. So we just want to soften the onions until they're translucent and a little bit golden. So I'm going to add in the mushrooms. And then just give them a stir. And then at this stage, I'm just going to push the mushrooms aside. I'm going to add in Kum Kee's soybean sauce. Now this is a really umami-rich, savory sauce, and it's just going to transform the delicious mushrooms into something amazing. So give that a good stir, and you can see they're starting to take a deeper brown in color. Next, I'm going to add in Kum Kee's mushroom vegetarian stir-fry sauce, and this is going to complement the mushroomy flavor even more. Just give that a good mix. And that just instantly adds shine. Now, I want this to be a creamy sauce. So I've got here coconut milk, a whole tin. So just pour that all in, and look at that. That just turns it into this most delicious, creamy, rich sauce. I'm going to add in Kum Kee's premium dark soy sauce, a small drizzle of this, about a teaspoon. And this is going to help enrichen the color of the sauce. I'm going to add in Kum Kee's premium light soy sauce, just for saltiness. Next, I've got some linguine pasta, and they've already been boiled in 12 minutes in water, and they're still lovely and al dente. Just a little bit of that pasta water, that starchy water just helps to bring the dish together. That's looking so good already. So just take it off the heat, a fresh grind of cracked black pepper. So we're ready to serve. Look at that, creamy, coconutty, mushroomy, that delicious sauce. Then just a quick chop of some chives, just sprinkle it all over. And that's it. That's my creamy soy shiitake linguine.